Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Idris Tech. Hope you all fine. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Okay guys, today I wanted to show you how to up your mobile speed or mobile speed phone speed app. Okay, in the first we open the settings, mobile settings, then scroll down, then open the about phone section, which I mark it about phone. Click on this option, then scroll down. Now software information, this option, software information. Click on this, then scroll down and open, tap on bold number 7 times. Tap on bold number 7 times to open the developer option. Okay, we have to tap. Now confirm your phone password. Okay, I'll tap again. Okay, you see developer mode has been turned on. Okay, we came back, more back. Now you can see developer option is on here. Developer option, this option is on. Okay, now we go to end, tap on developer option. We are came in another menu. Okay, you have to go scroll down, more scroll down, down, more down. Okay, window animation skill, this 3 options, one this and this and this 3 option. You see Windows animation skill, transition animation skill, and duration animator duration skill, this 3 option. Okay, in the first we click on window animation skills, tap on your nose and check this one, animation skill in 5x, from 1x to 5x. Okay, we click on this, then we tap on transition animation skills and also from 1x to 5x. Tap on 5x. Okay, this will be also click, and also the animator duration skills, this one. Tap on this also. Okay, and click on 5x, animation skill 5x. Click. Okay guys, now come back and click on this option. Developer option will be off. Click on this and take back. Developer option will be developer turn on developer option first. That means developer option is off, turn off. Okay, now you can see mobile speed is so fast. You can see, mobile speed is so fast. I will open the another app. You can see mobile speed is app. You can see Okay guys, that was the tutorial of how you can speed up your phone. Okay guys, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and like the video. I see you in the next video guys. All you have a good day.